What if you could learn a new language for free using just 10 minutes a day? Whether you want to speak English, Japanese, Spanish, French, or over 40 other languages, there's an app that millions of people use. And you can start today without paying anything. In this video, I'll show you how to use Duolingo for free, the best features you shouldn't miss, and a few tips that will help you learn faster and stay consistent. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
After watching this complete video, you can easily create Duolingo Super for 1 month in a completely free without credit card or without anything. So here you can see I already created one account and expiry date August 19, 2026. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will suggest you to just visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful content. Here you can see almost daily I created one video. Now let's start the video. Just visit this duolingo.com/redeem page, and I will give you promo code in this video description and in a comment box also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Just use this promo code. Here you can see. Copy it from the description and click on this redeem now. Here you can see you have unlocked 1 free month of Super. Now click on this claim offer. Now it's asking for my age. Let's type 25. Click on next. Now just enter your name, email, password. In the name, just fill your name. Email address, you can use your Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail or Tempmail also. Then click on this create account button. Now here you can see the next step. Welcome to Duolingo Super, and click on this start learning with Super. Just select language, which language you want to learn. English, Spanish, Chinese, German, Japanese, French. Just select one and click on this continue. Now simply ignore this. I will direct go to the again home page to show you subscription page. Just close this, and here you can see profile icon. Your subscription will expire on August 20, and that is Super. This is the Duolingo Super. You can easily learn any language in a completely free. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.